So I have some few questions because I'm doing the strategy three as well.
Awesome.
But with the first one, the product testing campaign, I got a few rejected. I got a few rejected ads, which is one, two, three, four.
Let's click onto those and take a look at those rejected ads. Actually, I know a better way to do this. Cross it out
Okay.
and then select all your ad sets and go to the ad level.
So go to
Oh,
ad
actually,
sets.
go to the ads actually. Go to the ads level. Yep.
Ad set.
And sort by delivery. And then maybe scroll to the bottom. Maybe if you go to the bottom or the rejected.
Yeah, that's the one,
Beautiful.
two, three, four. Actually, five. One.
So we could take a look at each one by one, and I can sort of give you a feeling on why I think it got rejected.
So I'll just put the edit here.
Correct?
Mhm.
Okay, COVID-19 political issues. Now let's take a look at the ad. Scroll down on the right-hand side. So I think the first thing is the caption. A must for an emergency.
Okay.
I think the word emergency is
Mhm.
pretty sort of red. It's like pretty red. It's like a flag
Mhm.
word.
Yeah.
But other than that, maybe the fact that this product is like a police sort of thing where it's like not maybe fully legal. I don't think you can drive around with this on.
Okay.
So those are my guess on why this got rejected. We go to the next one.
Okay. Okay. How am I going to next?
Maybe you can cross it and then go back to the ads level.
Um, is it the one? No.
Maybe cross out the one selected ad sets. Cross out one selected. Yep. And then now go back to the ads level. Scroll all the way down. Beautiful. And
And
we can
this one
take a look at
here.
the next one. Okay. Let's scroll down. Good for traveling, hiking, outdoor activities. Don't ever worry about washing your hands again. Never worry about washing your hands. Oh, so I think it's the never worry about washing your hands again.
Is it
It's
okay?
COVID-19 related products like mask, hand sanitizer. Like we had this,
Mm-hmm.
it was a product, it was like a wristband and it
Mm-hmm.
was had sanitizer in the wristband and that wouldn't get approved because it was like sanitizer taking advantage of selling COVID related products.
Okay. 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 Cool. So maybe I'll just I'll delete it this one here anyway. So it's not working anyway when I do the what's that? The strategy three.
Yes.
So I'll just move on with this one. Okay, next will be the pet shower head here. Do this one here.
Okay. So let's see. Saves time and water. So that should be fine. Bath and massage your pet. That should be fine. Is there any other text?
No, that's all.
So the text and headlines looks pretty safe. My
Mm-hmm.
guess is maybe it's the image. It's like a sanitary type of photo. And maybe
Mm-hmm.
that's what Facebook is not liking when there's like anything to do. Like if there was a photo of like hand sanitizer, clean your hands, that would
Mm-hmm.
also have a problem. So that's my
Okay.
reason why this didn't get approved. But obviously you can appeal all this, but you want an ad that just doesn't get rejected at all so that when you scale, when you duplicate it, the
Mm-hmm.
duplicates have no problem.
Okay, cool. And maybe I think this one I know, like it's anti. So it says, yeah, this one here.
Yeah, anything about like stress, about acne, pimples, overweight, um, those also get flagged. Anything about mental health, depression, those seem to get rejected a lot on Facebook ads.
Okay, so if I just do the ads for like those kind of products, so what should I do with that one?
So for this product, I'll call it a fidget magnet, a
Fidget magnet.
productivity magnet,
Mm-hmm.
a fun, pure, magical pyramid.
Mm-hmm.
I'll use words that wouldn't include the word stress.
Okay, cool. And this one, yeah, I know already with this one. And so this one is just like pimple patch. Should be fine, right?
Correct. It's pimple. So like, skin, pimple, overweight, bad
Mm-hmm.
skin, trying to become younger, skin lightening cream, stuff like that doesn't
Okay.
work, doesn't get approved by Facebook.
Okay, cool.